When your Vornado heater won't turn on, start with the basics. First, verify that your heater is plugged into a working electrical outlet. Next, check your circuit breaker or ground fault circuit interrupter. Important note, Vornado specifically advises against using their heaters on GFCI circuits because they may cause nuisance tripping. Always plug your heater directly into a wall outlet. Avoid using extension cords or surge protectors, as these can cause power issues and safety hazards. If the outlet feels loose when you plug in your heater, this is a safety concern. A loose connection can cause overheating. Discontinue use immediately and have a qualified electrician replace the outlet. Now for the reset procedure. This is a systematic process that often resolves power issues with your Vornado heater. Step 1. Power off the heater completely and unplug it from the wall outlet. Step 2. Remove any obstructions that might be blocking the air inlets or outlet vents. Step 3. Wait 5 to 10 minutes to allow the heater to cool down completely. Step 4. Plug the heater back into the wall outlet and position it properly. Then turn the power switch on. Finally, for models with a tip-over switch, ensure your heater is on a completely level surface. If the switch seems stuck, try pushing it in 4 to 5 times to ensure proper operation. A common issue with Vornado heaters is a faulty thermal trip sensor. This critical safety component monitors temperature to prevent overheating. While some users attempt to bypass a faulty thermal sensor, this practice is extremely dangerous and not recommended. The sensor is a critical safety feature that prevents fires and equipment damage. Vornado heaters feature a multi-level safety shutoff system designed to prevent overheating. This system automatically activates when air inlets or outlets become blocked. Regular cleaning is essential to prevent dust buildup that can block airflow and trigger safety shutoffs. Use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to clean the front outlet grill and air inlets. Contact Vornado Consumer Services if the safety shutoff system repeatedly activates, the heater won't reset, or if you notice any physical damage to the unit. Stay informed about product recalls. In February 2025, Vornado recalled certain VH2 whole room heater units due to power cord defects that could cause fire and electric shock hazards.